So here's a system of equations with fractions. Again, it's not too bad because we can get rid of those fractions pretty quick, right? And this comes with equation manipulation, and it really is a principle of equality like we talked about during the lesson. I'm going to take this second equation, and since I want to get rid of those 9 denominators, which is, I know they're both in the same format, that's good. But if I do this, then at least I don't have to worry about the fractions, right? And I can do that pretty quickly just by multiplying both of the fractions by 9. Because 2/9 times 9, that's going to be just 2 of the x's in that case. And then 2/9 times 9 here also is still going to be positive 2, but now it's in y's. But just don't forget to distribute it into that other one, because again, it's about what you do to one side, you got to do to the other side. So 2 times 9 on that case is going to be 18. And that top equation, we didn't do anything with it. And I know some of you guys can see what's going on with this, which is good. But whether you see it now or not doesn't really matter, because we're going to analyze it one way or the other. So we didn't change this equation, but the purple one, that came from distributing the 9. So now that we've got this set up without fractions anyways, we can see that the coefficients of x, they're not close to the same. I mean, 16 is a multiple of 2, so manipulating this one would be pretty easy. But you should at least check the y's just to see if that one's easy. And it is, because both of the coefficients of y are opposites right now, which means, once again, if I add the two equations together, it will eliminate the y's. It's going to zero those out, right? Negative 2y plus 2y, 0 y's. So 16x's plus 2x's, that's 18x's. And 18 plus 18, that's 36. So just divide both sides by 18. And you'll get x's 2. So as of right now, in the ordered pair, I've got an x value that's 2. But I do want the y value, right? Now I don't want to deal with those fractions. So I'm going to look at that top equation. So 16x minus 2y. We need it to equal 18, whatever the y value is. Because as of right now, we think we know what the x value is, 2. So I'm just solving this equation, right? We got 16 times 2 is 32, minus 2y equals 18. Subtract 32 from both sides. So that zeroes out. Negative 2y equals negative 14. Divide both sides by negative 2. And we get y equals 7 on that one. So as of right now, again, we think y is 7, but let's just double check. So 16 times 2 minus 2 times 7, yep, equals 18. That one checks off. Now the fraction ones, right? So 2/9 times x, which is 2, plus 2/9 times y, which is 7. And when I push enter on my calculator, I get 2, which is 2, right? So that is a true statement. So once again, we can go back to the ordered pair and box it in.